In the heart of a bustling city lived a young woman named Sarah, whose dream was to explore the world. However, her limited English proficiency stood as a formidable barrier. Determined to overcome this obstacle, Sarah embarked on a journey of language acquisition. Sarah began her quest by immersing herself in the English language. She listened to English songs, watched English movies and TV shows, and even tried to read English books, though she initially struggled to understand them. She also downloaded language learning apps on her phone and spent hours practicing vocabulary and grammar. One day, Sarah decided to join an English language exchange group. There, she met people from all over the world who were also trying to learn English. She found that practicing with native English speakers was the most effective way to improve her fluency. She also made friends who shared her passion for learning languages, and they motivated each other to keep going. Sarah also discovered the power of online resources. She found websites and YouTube channels that offered free English lessons, and she used these resources to supplement her learning. She also found online communities where she could chat with other English learners and get feedback on her writing and speaking. As Sarah's English skills improved, she gained more confidence. She started to speak up in class, volunteer to give presentations, and even started a blog where she wrote about her experiences learning English. She also started to travel to English-speaking countries where she could put her skills to the test. After years of hard work, Sarah finally achieved her goal of becoming fluent in English. She was able to communicate with people from all over the world, travel to new places, and even pursue a career that required strong English skills. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of finding the right resources and support. Anyone can learn English with dedication and the right approach. Here are some tips that Sarah learned along the way. Immerse yourself in the language. Listen to English music, watch English movies and TV shows, and try to read English books. Find a language partner. Practice speaking with a native English speaker. Use online resources. There are many websites and apps that can help you learn English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning a new language. Be patient and persistent. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Make it fun. Find ways to make learning English enjoyable. This will help you stay motivated. Set goals. Having goals will help you stay on track and measure your progress. Celebrate your successes. Don't forget to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. Learning English can be a challenging but rewarding experience. With the right approach and a little bit of effort, you can achieve your goals.